Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I am going to teach you how you can make a glossy Ludo dice. So to make a glossy Ludo dice, just follow the steps I am going to show you. First select this cube, after this go to edit mode, left click and add subdivision. Now select this subdivision and add the number of cards to 4. So I have added number of cards 4. After adding the number of cards, you can see the view of the cube. Now I'm going to select some surfaces by using this surface selector. I will select the number of dice or the points of dice by using this surface selector. Let's select this first. Now by using the shift function I will select the other Ludo points. So by using face selector I have selected the points of the Ludo by using shift function. So after selecting the points, here is the look. Now I will select this pivot point and will add individual origins. After adding individual origins I will press right click and will add this extrude individual faces. Press enter to end the extrude function. Now press S to scale down or scale up. I will just scale down them like this. Left click to end the scale down function. Once again press right click and now I will add extrude individual faces. After selecting extrude individual faces, extrude the faces inside the cube. Left click to end the extrude function. So here is the view of the cube. After ending the extrude function, I'm going to select this and will add select more or less and will click on select more. So I have selected all the faces or all the number of points on a cube. Now what we have to do, we have to just color it. For this I will just move to the material tab. So here is the material tab. Name the first material as cube, click on its surface and give it a glossy appearance. So I have gave it a glossy appearance. Now I'm going to add another object. Click on the plus sign, click on new, name this second material as holes in the dice. After naming it, again press on the surface and give it a glossy appearance. So I have gave it a glossy appearance. After giving it a glossy appearance, assign it. Now select the cube or the first material and give it a color. Now select the holes of the second material and give it a color. After coloring the material, I'm going to add a modifier. Go to add modifier and add a subdivision modifier. So I have added the subdivision modifier. Now I will adjust this level viewpoint and render points to 3, 3. After adjusting these level, here is the view of the cube. Now I will just select this vortex selector. After selecting the vortex selector, select all the edges of the cube by shift function. So I have selected all the corner edges of the cube by using shift function and by using the vortex selector. So after doing this, I'm going to select this pivot selector and will add this median point. So I have added this median point. I'm going to press S to scale down or scale up them. I will just scale down them like this. Left click to end the scale down function. After this, go to the object mode and apply these settings. Click on apply. I have applied the modifier. Now I'm just going to select this surface and will shade it smooth. I have shaded it smooth. So here is the view of the cube. Now I will add a mesh. So I have added a plane surface, move it a little downward. After selecting the dice, rotate it, move the dice upward. Again select this mesh and scale it. Now go to the material tab, add a new material, click on new and give it a glossy appearance again. Now go to color tab and give it a color. So here is the view of our cube. It has all the patches or all the points on it. I will just select this object and press Shift D to duplicate it. So I have duplicated it 3 times. Now you can see the view of dices. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reactions in the comment section. And if you want our services, feel free to connect with us on the LinkedIn. We will love to work with you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.